Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix sorry this application cannot run under virtual machine in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, go to search menu and type core isolation. Click on open it. We just need to turn off this memory integrity guys. Turn it off and just close stuff here and restart the PC for the changes take effect and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, go to search menu and type turn Windows switches on or off. Click on open it and uncheck Hyper-V and select OK option. Select the restart now option and restart your PC. After restarting, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to right click on the application you are getting this error and select properties. Go to compatibility tab and check mark run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 and select apply and OK for save changes. And now you can able to launch the program without having any problem. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.